I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have an Apple ID signed into iCloud and an iCloud Plus plan if you need shared storage. Choose one organizer. That person will send invites and manage payments. Once done, open Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac and tap your name. Make sure to select Family Sharing and tap Add Member now. You're starting the invite flow, so have each family member's Apple ID ready for quick entry. Now you send invites and pick which services to share: purchases, subscriptions, and iCloud storage. As organizer, choose Features and tap Add Member. You can send via iMessage or invite someone in person to enter their Apple ID. Once invited, the person accepts in Settings under Invitations or taps the link in Messages. If they are on Mac, they accept in System Settings. Make sure each invitee signs into the same app. Finish by verifying shared content. Check family purchases, subscriptions, and iCloud storage usage to confirm everyone sees shared items. You can enable Ask to Buy for kids and turn on location sharing if you want family location visibility. If something goes wrong, sign everyone out and back in, confirm the organizer's payment method is valid, and ensure all accounts use the same country/region. If invites won't accept, resend or have the organizer remove, and re-add the member to refresh permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.